Let's talk about this amazing opportunity. What was happened today? And it's all start with this Monday movement. So a little bit information what was happened before. So here we can see how the price is respecting the same area. The high is made before and price is going for the TP. Now prices make the TP and we're pulling back on the next one here. And then prices start going here. Wood, going back to the TP nicely. But for me, what I'm looking for the next trade, because this trade is already open from here. And if you look in the structure, let's put the structure here. So that's the structure. All this starting here with these two bottom wicks. That's the whole structure here. And the breaking structure is here. You can see nicely. That's the breaking structure. Now we can see we have a breaking structure, pullback, and now we have bottom our box. So now price is breaking again, and we have the top of the box. So the price is now making the high for the TP and the pullback, but you can see brightly here we didn't reach the zone here. So that trade was all the time just collecting energy in the bottom there, like behind everything. So now just price is doing his thing, making new highs here, bounce. No pullback, no pullbacks, no pullbacks. And here we have our last high, and now we have bounce. Price is making a nice pullback movement. In the moment here, take some longs, to scalping longs, because in the moment you have no idea if the price really wanna break this high or not. You can take some nice trades here. You can see in this time it price was going higher. But in the moment you can see we have our TP already there. We have our entry already here and stop loss already here. For example, even in that moment you can put already orders in. With that way of looking and trading, that's awesome to do, because sometimes maybe you're not behind the screen, but the place where you want to enter, that's the place. And you know already your stop loss, and you know already your TP. For for example, here you can see what we was talking about yesterday. Sometimes price like to do that. So we can have some nice movements, what the price is doing, start moving your TP. But sometimes price like to bounce a little bit there, things, and then go. Like for example here, you have both examples actually. But right now this one, just make another deeper one. But good one, for example, if you're now monetizing this entry here, you can have an even nicer entry there. If you're really thinking clearly in the moment there. You have this nice pullback. So in the moment, this will be your entry, your TP will be same, stop loss under here. The first structure break higher because you're looking long. Yep, and that's it. That was trade. Very simple. For example, the same logic now we can use here. You can see how the price is bouncing here, making the high, going back. So for example, this one was here. And then you can see this was the breaking structure here. This high, break this one. And this is the structure. This is the breaking structure here. But this one is a very sharp, and the sharpness is here, straight there. That's the pullback and gone. So here we're gonna put this one to there. That's the same point. What was this one here? But here we can see just we have much more volume here. This one what we're looking right now is very quick, but it's still there. So the last time, remember, we didn't get the retest. So here we have exact the same behavior. We didn't get the retest. Price is going back to the highs, making new highs, back to the highs. And what the price is doing, bouncing, 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 making the highs. And here you have a next high before the pullback. So that's your TP. And then price is doing a very similar thing. What is down here? This one. Those two are exactly the same. Here, entry, TP. Now you can see entry, and price is going to the TP. And the same thing happened down here. This one. You can see how the price was retesting back to the high. Super nice TP. All 3 days going like back to back. Very important is look the breaking structure. So we're gonna get the bottom. So we have breaking structure and then get the top, and that's the area what we're gonna look. Then price is gonna make the high, and then and then price is pulling back, entry, back to the high, stop loss. Logic, beautiful logic there. Yep. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you the next one. Ciao.